All right, hey, Mo HotJet, want to go over our 40-gallon 2000 PSI unit. There's a couple of them on the market. Want to show you how we build them compared to the rest of the guys, then you got a good idea what you're going to invest in. So on this unit, we've got the 72 horsepower turbo Yanmar John Deere. They do build John Deere motors, so check out all the service centers they've got. That's why we've gone with this power plant, and it's the dynamics of that motor is just super smooth. Vibration and heat are your two killers, right, of engines. We put on a big radiator. I don't understand this industry while other guys are still putting air-cooled engines on. Not a big fan of air-cooled diesel engines. Look up diesel, it burns real hot. Heat's gonna kill it, and vibration will kill it. So it's a real smooth, they're rail fuel injection. I love it. Love this engine. Also no def, does have a 50-hour regen mode, and then 100 hours after that, right, Chris? So I got that. We had to go through extensive testing with Yanmar to be a dealer. They camped out here, and we passed. We actually cheated. No, that's what I did in school. I'm supposed to be serious on these videos, they tell me. Try to be serious. Udor, we really like their pumps. When you get into big pumps like this, simpler the better. There's some guys in the industry that make their own pumps. I hear the bills on that are $15,000 to $25,000. This pump we're probably $7,500 to replace. So evaluate that long-term price of ownership and how easy this is to service. That's what we're all about, because this is we ship all over. And thanks Kotzebue of Alaska, we should just ship some more equipment there. Waikoloa Water, I mean we're shipping all over. That's Big Island, Hawaii. So people look for us if you want something that's built right and you can service it. You're always going to have service problems, but hey, can you fix it on the fly? Can you get service? So Yanmar service centers, we'll send that list to you. We're happy to do that. So big, nice pump, belt driven. We've got a large unloader, safety pop-off valve that's adjustable. Other companies have used a rupture disc that most of the companies I see have put a penny in there and boom, boom, you just put a safety valve, relief valve, so it won't relieve. So I want one that's gonna work. We've got low water shutoff, nice hydraulic tank, big tank for the hose reel. Mid-size fuel tank. We don't want to go too crazy on the fuel tank. But as you notice, you got panels on this that snap right off and you're right at everything. Okay, so that's cool. Double built on a super industrial heavy duty plate, and that's because whenever you've got heavy hydraulics, you get a lot of flex. So you want to control that flex. Wow, I'm sounding serious. I actually do a lot of homework. This is my hobby. So big antifreeze tank, simple to antifreeze. Actually, I'm going to shut that. We're getting ready to ship this. So I wanted to show the 40-gallon at 2,000 real quick. This one's got the horizontal laydown tanks. We also can do the vertical tanks. So that's an option. If the size isn't that particular to you, this is nice because you got a lower center of gravity, okay? I look at other guys and they've got tanks not much bigger than this and they're saying they're 500-gallon. Well, I don't know where they're cubing out that water. These are 330 each. Been using them for 2 decades. Lifetime tank, heavy-duty toolboxes. I think you need some toolboxes. This unit's ready to go. I think they wanted that mounted, but no, they didn't? Okay, cool. Jet valve, dump valve, because they wanted a wash down. Super duty 7K axles, 8 luggers. Get the fancy wheels. This trailer's all built on a, what's that, 1x6?
2x6.
2x6, yeah. 2x6 box all the way around. Because your stress points here and here. I mean, if you can break that, congratulations. I mean, we haven't had a broken trailer in what, 7 years? 8 years?
Oh,
Yeah, we had one crack a little. We said, man, we're not going to hear that again. 3/4 inch Piranha hose. For us, poly hose is poly hose. Piranha's great name. All your controls are back here. You got remote control. Great controls on this. I'm not going to go into all the details. I've actually studied this quite a bit on the control cabinets, so it's really got some good features. As far as right now, it says low water level, so you obviously got to fill it up. And it's a really neat control valve. And we send out concise operating manuals for that, and the safety gear, safety manuals. Big hydraulic pump. Hene builds these for us, or Haney. So those are the basic features on that. That's a big, nice trailer. We can also make it almost down to a single axle if you want. I mean, we've done quite a few of those too. So just depends on your application. But 40 gallon at 2,000 is pretty much culvert and big lines. So a lot of them. It's a good, reliable piece of equipment. Give us a call if you need a quote. Thanks, both checking out.